Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are enjoying our channel. We are coming up with more interesting topics daily. Today we are going to share 5 most visited monuments in India. Come, let's explore the rich and great historical monuments of India. Ellora Cave, situated in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, with 1.72 million visitors, occupies 5th position in our listing. There are over 100 caves in this region, but only 34 are open to public, among which 12 are Buddhist caves, 17 are Hindu caves and 5 Jain caves. Cave number 16, in particular, features the largest single monolithic rock excavation in the world, the Kailasha Temple, a chariot-shaped monument dedicated to Lord Shiva. This site was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Fatehpur Sikri complex with 2.1 million visitors in 2019 occupies 4th position in the list. It is situated in Sikri town of Agra district, which was the capital of Mughal Empire ruled by the great Akbar in late 15th century. The complex also renowned as a birthplace of Akbar's son, Jahangir. This complex has Buland Darwaza, a 55-meter high entrance gate, Jam Masjid, tomb of Salim Chishti, Panch Mahal, Birbal House, which made it gain UNESCO World Heritage Site title in 1986. The Red Fort in Delhi with 3.18 million visitors occupies 3rd position in list. It was constructed by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi, in his favorite colors red and white. The Red Fort complex is a massive 255-acre enclosed by 2.41 kilometers of defensive wall. Another historic importance of Red Fort is that, on the 15th of August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate, and the same rituals are followed even now. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. Konark Sun Temple or Surya Mandira, dedicated to Hindu god Surya, occupies 2nd place in the list with 4.1 million visitors in 2019. It was constructed by the King Narasimhadeva I of Ganga dynasty in 1250 near Puri, Bhubaneswar. Much of the temple is now in ruins. The cause of destruction is unclear and remains a source of controversy. What remains of the temple complex has the appearance of a 100-foot high chariot with immense wheels and horses, all carved from stone. The wheels of the chariot is one of the masterpieces of Indian advanced engineering at that time, which is still a great astronomical tool. The temple was granted World Heritage Site status by the UNESCO in 1984. Undoubtedly, one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal, an ivory white marble mausoleum on the bank of Yamuna River in Agra, occupies the 1st place in most visited monument list in India with 6.45 million visitors in 2019. It was constructed in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz. It took 21 years to complete this massive monument on a 42-acre complex with the help of 20,000 artists by spending 32 million rupees, which is equivalent to 70 billion rupees in 2020. It was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 and was the winner of New 7 Wonders of the World title in 2007. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it and share it. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned for more interesting videos.